How to make a call directly from WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chats. Go to the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the person you want to call. Tap and open their chat. Once you're in the chat, tap on the call icon at the top right corner of your screen. It will place the call to that person. If they're connected to their internet, WhatsApp will show ringing just below their name. Once they pick up, you can carry on with the conversation over an audio call. You will see some features in the bottom panel to mute the call or put the call on speaker. Once you're done talking over the call, you can hang up the call by tapping on that red button at the very bottom. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and make a call directly from WhatsApp.